Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to do a cook and clean with me. I've never done one of those before. I've done clean with me, but I never incorporated cooking into it. Not that I'm really doing much cooking. It's in the crock pot, so does that really count as cooking? I don't know, I think it does. When there's dinner ready at the end of the night, I cooked it. But I have that in the crock pot already. I'm gonna roll that footage in a second. You okay there? And just show you what I did with the chicken in the crock pot. But I've got some cleaning to do today, some like random cleaning, so I thought I would record that for you guys, and also a little bit of vlogging, I guess, because we're actually on our way out right now. We're gonna go pick up my mom, and then I'm out of breath. We're gonna go buy something from somebody off of Facebook. Someone's selling a like glider chair, like one of those ones that you put in a nursery, and I really want one this time, except I don't want to buy one brand new because the nice ones are really expensive, and I'm not sure what brand this one is. I think it's Doodleier from the label on the chair that I can kind of see in the picture, but I'm not 100% sure. But he's only selling it for $30, and it looks like it's in pretty good shape, so I'm gonna go check it out. If it's good, I'll get it. If it sucks, I'm probably just gonna be like, never mind, I'll pass, you tricked me. This actually isn't in good shape, but hopefully it's in good shape because I really want one. So yeah, that's what we're about to do. We gotta head out, and somebody just texted me. It was my mommy. I didn't even leave yet, Mom. So for dinner, I'm making creamy ranch chicken and noodles. You'll need about 3 medium-sized chicken breasts, and I am just trimming them up a little bit. I did plan on putting them straight into the crock pot, but they were still a bit too frozen, so I put them in a Ziploc bag and put that bag into a big bowl of cold water to defrost them a little bit more. Once they were ready, I put them in the crock pot and added one 10.5 ounce can of cream of chicken soup, one 8 ounce package of cream cheese, and 1 packet of dry Italian seasoning mix. Then I just put it on low and cook it for about 8 hours. So we're home now. I gave Chase some lunch. He's in for a nap. Picked up the glider. I'm gonna go outside and show you. There's trucks outside and there's like people outside, so hopefully you'll be able to hear me, but I didn't want to vlog out there because I didn't want them to think I was a weirdo. But I'll show you what it looks like. So it's kind of hard to see. I guess I have it in here like sideways, but that's what it looks like. It has the ottoman, and yeah, the only thing I'm kind of worried about is there's some spots on the fabric, which I'm hoping will come out if I steam clean it. We have a steam cleaner, so I'm hoping I can use that on here and clean it up a little bit. But other than that, I mean, it needs to be wiped down. It was in their garage, so I need to wipe it down. It's cobwebby and stuff. And I don't know what that is. I gotta clean it, but I think I should clean up nice. I just hope that I can fix whatever's on the fabric. Like this over here just looked like dirt because I scraped at it before and it was just like coming off. I hope it's not like mildewy or anything like that. This comes off, so if worse comes to worse, I can just take this off and clean it somehow. If anybody has any tips on cleaning this, let me know. But that glider is the brand Doodleier. I think that's how you say it. I don't know how else to pronounce that. But that's a pretty expensive brand of glider to purchase brand new. They're like $300 to $500. So I'm pretty stoked that I got that for $30, and if worse comes to worse, if I have to put a little bit more money into it to fix the cushions, that's fine. If I did have to do it, at least I have like the frame of like a good glider, so I'm happy about it. I think it was a good deal. Okay, so I had my little 20-minute rest time. Madison's home from school, just playing on the tablet for a little while. Probably have like 45 minutes or so, and then I gotta start homework. She's gonna do her homework, but I usually end up having to help her a little bit. Chase is up from his nap. He is just playing in the other room. I'm gonna try to do the refrigerator because I've been saying I want to do it for a few days now, and I just feel like I just need to do it. I'm never gonna really feel like doing it or want to do it, but I need to do it. So I'm gonna do that. Let me show you how it's looking. So it doesn't look too bad at first, but then you get closer and you can see where I need to like clean up a little bit, just like spills and stuff and crumbs. Just having trouble focusing on the crumbs, but they're there. And just like I need to take out the drawers and clean like behind them. Can you see in there? Yeah, it definitely just needs to be wiped down. And also like inside, these things are getting kind of nasty looking. I don't know how that happens, but that one's not so bad. But yeah, hopefully the freezer. Am I gonna do the freezer? Yeah, I guess I gotta do the freezer a little bit too. Some crumbs down there. Darn it. Forgot about the freezer part. Anyway, I'm gonna get started on this.
I might be going crazy, I don't know what to do. My heart is screaming for you, babe. And what I'm trying to say is that you make the sky look blue.
I am struggling to get the drawer out here. I gave up on it for a couple minutes, but I did eventually get it out. I just had to yank on it harder.
Glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. I feel it in my heart. You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. Yeah, you're glowing in the dark. You can make it go away. Glowing in the dark. You can make it go away. Glowing in the dark. Can't stop looking at you, you're like a firefly. Guide me out of the woods now. Oh, I think I lost my way, but got you to help me back. Tell me what I should do now. Every time I'm feeling down, you can make it go away. Your light is shining bright on me. Got no reason to be afraid. You're glowing in the dark. You're glowing in the dark. Glowing in the dark, I feel it in my heart. You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. Yeah, you're glowing in the dark. You can make it go away. Glowing in the dark. You can make it go away. Glowing in the dark.
I got Madison to help me out here. I was so tired and I couldn't keep squatting down to put things back in the door. So she helped me by just bringing me everything.
You're glowing in the dark. You're glowing in the dark. Glowing in the dark.
Well, I am done, and that took me entirely too long. It took me over an hour, so I didn't record the whole thing. I cut a lot of it out because I didn't think you guys wanted to watch me clean the refrigerator for that long. But the refrigerator part is clean. It looks very nice in here. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but I definitely can. There's so many crevices in here. It just took me forever to clean. And then like back here, it was really bad. Like I pulled the whole drawer out and got all back there, and you know, all these thingies, and that was all I could do. I didn't even do the freezer because I'm tired. It was too much work, so I'll save this for another day.
Never found somewhere I fit in.
Here, I'm just putting the dishes away from the daytime before we make more dinner dishes. Normally, I try to do this earlier, but we went out in the morning and then I just never got to it.
Go away. All you have to do is look at me. Sometimes I can't breathe, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, but don't succeed.
trying my best to hold on. It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger with you. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Sometimes
I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me.
I am exhausted. I'm so tired. My back hurts. I feel like I can't stand up. And I still have to finish dinner and then clean up from dinner and load the dishwasher and make sure she bathes herself.
What does that mean?
You have to take a shower, which isn't really much work on my part. You do it.
No,
by yourself.
I don't have to take a shower.
You didn't take a shower last night?
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Yes,
I gave Chase a bath last night. You didn't take a shower. I do have to finish dinner though. There's only 2 things I need to do for dinner. Are you gonna eat a vegetable?
No.
I have to make a vegetable though. I need a vegetable with this meal or else it just, your bow is like in my eye. I have to make a vegetable or else it just feels really unhealthy with the cream cheese and the cream of chicken soups. Like I need to balance that out a little bit. So I'm just about to finish up dinner.
Oh, I see it.
You see it?
Yeah.
Madison's helping me. Something fell inside of our spinny thing in there, and I can't squat down to get anything anymore. Yeah, good job. All right, just lay it in there so it doesn't fall again. The last thing I need to do is just make some noodles. So for this, I always use these Jamili style noodles. They look like that. I don't know. We just like them with this meal. So I'm gonna make that, and then I am just making some green beans because I need some vegetables. And then this is done. Whoa! I have to mix it up inside of there and then shred the chicken, and then I just mix everything together. Probably add a little bit of milk, and then that'll be done. So I ran out of room on my memory card, so I couldn't record what I was doing before, but basically I just shredded the chicken and mixed everything together with the noodles, and I got my green beans, and that is what it looks like when it's all done. That's gonna be it for this video. It's actually the next night now. Last night, both of my memory cards started giving me problems, and I couldn't use either one of them, so I couldn't record anymore. And today I had to like format both of my memory cards, which I've never had to do before, but they were both giving me problems. But anyway, I did that, and now my memory cards are working again. But oh my gosh, you guys, last night I was so exhausted. I didn't do that much yesterday. I didn't feel like I did that much, but by like 5 o'clock, I felt like I do now, and it's like 9 o'clock. So I don't know what it was, but I was just done. I felt like I just wanted to lay down on the couch and go to sleep. Like, it was terrible. I know it has something to do with like being pregnant. Like normally I would not feel that way, but I've just been getting like super tired, like from doing like not that much. But that is pregnant life, I guess. So anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.